Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. It's me Robert, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a clicking simulator in Roblox Studio Part 2. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so in today's video we are gonna do like show stats. So we are gonna create a screen GUI because I just created one. Oh, and we are going to rename this to show. Oh, that's GUI. Okay, now after that, we are going to insert two text labels. So you can name this to ShowClicks. You can add a UI corner into it. Oh, accidentally added a UI gradient. Okay, now can make this here. Can duplicate this and add it just like that. Okay, perfect. Now what you're gonna do is you can make the color for this same 0.100 to 0.5. Okay, now you can select these two and edit the font, the text color, and the text stroke transparency, and the text changes to null. This make it to text scale. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna select the other one and rename this to show rebirths. Now in one of those you can add a text label again. Now this text label you can make it 0,75, 0,50 and set a background transparency to. Now get this here. Oh, edit this. And here you can make it text scale and make it say the text clicks. Okay, now you can duplicate that and add it in the ShowRebirths. Now you can make this say both rebirths, and now you can make this just like that. Oh, well, I had to make this a bit. Okay, now you can move this right to here. Wait, first okay, now it's gonna show clicks and rebirths, so it's more obvious. Okay, now what you're gonna do is in the ShowClicks insert a local script, and I'm going to put the script here. We are done for this. I am going to insert a local script in here too. Okay, copy this and paste it in here. Okay, now when we join, we should oh yep, here we have 0 clicks and 0 rebuffs. Now when we click, we get 1 click. We don't have enough clicks, not enough clicks. And I can just close these. Okay, now when I get to 100 clicks, success, and now I have 0 clicks and 1 rebuff. So it's working. Okay guys, so that was for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.